Hello everybody. Today we're looking at 15 minus 8 and we've got Nikki here who's going to share a fantastic idea. So Nikki, what do you think? How are we going to solve this question?
I'm going to change it to 8.
Oh, you want to do addition. So you want to do 8 plus a number equals 15.
Yeah.
So what are we going to do? We're going to start with 8. So let's do that. So we've got 5. And then we've got the 8, 3 more.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what?
Now I want to make 10.
Ooh, okay, so we've got 10. We're going to add how many more? 2. So there's 2. And then what?
And then we get 15. So 10 plus 5 equals 15.
Okay, so we'll bring up 5 more.
Which equals 15. And I just added 7.
Okay, because I can see the 5 and the 2, which is 7. So that means 15 minus 8 equals
7.
All right, nice idea, Nikki.
Hello everyone, today we're doing 15 minus 8 with Mark here.
Thanks, Raha. And I hear you've got a great idea to solve this question.
Yeah.
Okay, let's show everybody. Why don't we show everybody where the 15 is? Where's the 15?
So 5 plus 5 equals 10.
Mm-hmm.
Then add 5 more equals 15.
Okay, so we've got the 15. Now we've got to take away 8. What's your idea?
I want to take away 5 because I want to make 10.
Oh, okay. So then you took away 5.
I split the 8 into 5 and 3.
Oh, so you took away 5 and then you took away the 3.
3 to make 7. So 15 minus 8 is 7.
Ah, yeah. And let's just go back here for a second. So 15 minus the 5 gave you the 10.
Yeah.
And then you took away 3 more.
To make 7. To make 8. Here's 8. 8, 8. Then I have left 7.
Ah, so you split the 8 into 5 and 3.
8.
And it equals 7.
7.
Nice idea.